Hello viewers, this is Anonya Justin from Celebrate Uganda. Actually today we decided to come up with such a project of cleaning our area, and as you see guys are seriously working. It's really good because it's rare to find celebrities, you know, to find actors because we have different stuff, activities. We have actors, we have actresses, we have dancers, we have comedians, we have each and everything. Let me try to interview some of these guys and tell us how they really feel coming up with such a decision. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Let me come down. How are you?
I'm okay.
Hey.
Yeah.
Oh, what's your name?
My name is Shaman Adi Disc. Minyal on and off.
Hey. Are you a member of Celebrate Uganda?
Hey, of course. I'm a member of Celebrate Uganda.
I'm seeing you guys are cleaning. It's really a good job. Why did you decide to come up with such a project?
Let me first relax. Kati nga omanyi twagadde nnyo nnyo tusomesa abantu ku kikwatagana n'obuyonjo naddala singa nnyini wantu wano ajjanga mbutuufu nze ali mu kuyoola ebisasiro bino nga ye yennyiniwo era naye asobola okukola nti ye kyakola si kituufu obbiyiwa wano kuba tebitambuza mazzi kitegeeza oluddako tajja bbiyiwa wano naye ajja kufuna obuvunaanyizibwa obukola ki obubyokya. Yeah, it's single.
Wow, this guy has told us that we have to keep sanitation, as in we have to clean up our area to avoid diseases. That's what he was telling us. Ali.
Yes.
Are you an artist, a musician, actor, actress?
A comedian.
A comedian.
Yeah.
Wow, that sounds great. Can you give me some? Can you sample them?
I can sample them.
Oh, let's go for a stand-up comedy right now.
Those are under bandeta. Omanyi ebintu bino biba bisaana okumanya omuntu yenna ng'omuzadde ng'obadde otwala omwana ku ssomero kitagana okumanya soti y'omusomesa gy'otwala omwana we eri etya kuba ffe there is a certain school eyo nga nursery teacher nga ananaagira stammering people. Do you know what happened? Omanyi abantu abo bananaagira those stammering people, when he fails to pronounce a word, he do a sign. Okitegeerawo ebityo kati gayi ng'atuuka ng'atandika.
You mean a teacher, right?
Yeah, a teacher, right. Then the teacher came and said, good morning, class. And then the babies, you know, which children, now good morning, teacher. How are you? No water. We are all right, thank you, teacher. Today we are going to recite the alphabet. Yes, teacher. He started. Axi, boy, Kati, dogo. Then elephant wrong word came. The teacher started. No one na wote wali ubiga udarika. Wow,
so creative. You find it here in Celebrate Uganda. He's a comedian, as you've seen. Hope you've really enjoyed it. Thank you very much, Ali.
You are welcome.
Wow, that's so great.
For those of you watching us right about now, this is AKA Flimpoman. It's on, it's kicking, it's living in true living colors. Right about now, I'm in the Pearl of Africa. This is Uganda, the place to be. My song, my recent coming video, soon coming. Right about now, we have been just on my shoot of my video. It's soon coming. Watch out for the video. But the song goes, Kenya, Africa is calling. Chanting and calling my name. It's time for repatriation. Let's return back to Mama Africa. Kenya, Africa is calling. Feed the ghetto you down in the streets, and the black man never fit in the system. Let's return back home. Oh, Mama Africa. Watch out for the video soon coming your way.